Right then, Tom. So I've yet to be blown away really by what you're churning out for me. 40s, 60s, high 50s. You're not nailing regular in the 60s or where you need to be, which is in the 70s. So let's see if you're better this week. Right, so the first issue we've got here is that your calculator is telling you 38.1, but you should know, if we're working in pounds and pence, you need to have those zeros to make the pounds and the pence show. So you're going to lose a mark there for not having the zero. That's correct, so that's good. Meters, litres, kilometres, kilograms, good. 58 is right. Make your marks more clear. Alright, you're too light there really. I mean, it's fine because you're right, but if you'd written 68 there, I wouldn't be able to give you any marks because I can't clearly see what your method is. Total for the page is 11. That's nice. Silicon, pentagon, triangle, prism, good stuff. 5 marks. Radius, chord, tangent, that's correct, that's correct. Well done. Yep. This is a really good start. This is what I was hoping to see from you, Tom. This is good. 8, 11. Excellent. Right, times 4. They want it in words. You use the digit. I'm not giving you the marks. No, it's not 75 take away V, it's 75 take away 6V. So what you've got to do there is that, which is 75 take away 48, which is 27. Okay, so I can't give you any marks there. 45x is right, that's right, that's right, and that's right. Good stuff. So what have we got? 1, and on this side you have got 7 marks. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 for the page. That's good. It's good, but there's 3 marks there that you have left behind that you should be able to get. Correct. Brilliant. I am impressed with this, Tom. Brilliant. Well done. I mean, you've done a lot of work there that you could probably shorten. Yeah, you don't have to do it in such a complicated way. You could just intuitively say, well, a square, what times itself makes 25, or it's 5 5s are 25, but I'm not knocking what you've done at all. That's great. That's good too. So full marks on that page is excellent. Not many people have done that. Okay, that is not the right method, and that is almost the right method. Okay, you're not going to get those marks. I'll show you why in a minute, and I'm going to give you 1 there, but not both. The method for doing this is you get your compass. I'll open it out as far as you have, which is to there, and you draw that first arc in, which you've done. Then, without changing the size of the compass, you put the point where the curve has crossed the original line and draw another arc through the first. So that gives you a crossing point, which you then join up with A, and that gives you the 60 degrees. Okay, so it's open your compass to an arc, move the point, and draw another arc. Now with this one, it's the same idea. What you've done there is fine, but you need to have the crossing point underneath as well. So if I open my compass to what you have, so you open your compass over halfway, it doesn't matter where, as long as it's over halfway, and you draw that part of your circle. And you keep the compass open to the same size, move the point to Q, and draw the other part of the circle. And then by joining those two together, that guarantees that it's not only halfway, but it's also at right angles. Okay, so the perpendicular bisector, that's what you need to do, but you got one of those marks and you had a good attempt at that one, so that's okay. You should remember that now. Excellent. 1 mark. 107. £58.42. Well done. 2x minus 1 plus 2x is perfect. That is 13. This is really, really good. Right, so that again is fantastic. Nobody's got full marks on that question. You're the first one, Tom. Well done. Your scatter graph is mixed. That's in the wrong place. Apart from that, the others are in the right place, so you're going to get 1 mark for that. The oldest chair is not 70. Okay, the oldest chair is 80. The oldest chair is 80, which has got a price of 40. And then what you want to say here is that there is no correlation. For it to have correlation, you either want to have all the points around a line going down, or positive correlation, all the points around a line going up. Yours are too random. Okay, so what you want to be saying there is no, the points are too random. Something like that. There's lots of ways of saying it, but that would do it. So 4 marks for that page. For this one, no, this isn't the method to use. This method would work if the depreciation was just calculated on the original amount. But every year this loses value, that 18% is going to be calculated on a smaller total. Okay, watch the video clip how I've done that, and hopefully it'll make sense. These are called compound percentages. See how I've done it on my solution, and then go and practice them from the Jones & Sons site. Foundation tier topics, compound percentages. This is bang on the money, so you got your 3 marks from Pythag. Well done. This one, you've worked out the volume of the first bit correctly, but then what you want to do is work out the volume of the new one to see how many times bigger it is. So you haven't done enough work yet there to get any of those marks. But 3 for the Pythag on that page is good. Tom, this is going to be a good score. 11, 16, 27, 40, 50, 60, 61, 74, 78, 81. That is a bang, nailed on, cast iron, guaranteed grade C, and seriously impressed. If you can keep that up, and if you can bang that out in the exam, you are going to stroll a grade C, and you know, it's going to put us in a strong place on the higher tier to get you getting a grade B at least. Well done, Tom. I'm really impressed with that.